to Strip by Strip, a quilting journey. This is strip number 54. I'm crazy. I love machine quilting, so for 99 days, I am sharing 99 different ways to machine quilt a 2-inch strip. And we're actually almost done. This is the second panel that I've quilted on. It looks like I'm probably going to need 4 of them, but we are almost done here with my second panel, and I love quilting it, but one of my favorite parts is taking it off the frame and being able to see that finished look. Doesn't it just make you so happy? Anyways, today I thought it would be fun to do a little bit of free motion quilting. Now, I'm going to kind of challenge myself to not do any marking. You could go through this strip. It's a 2-inch strip, so in the middle at 1 inch, you could mark a straight line. I've been trying the disappearing ink marking pen, but just to kind of challenge myself, I'm not going to mark anything, and I'm going to eyeball where I think the center of this strip is. The more you practice, the more creative you will become, and maybe the braver you'll become. So keep on practicing. Now, like I said, I am quilting on this panel here that I purchased from Honest Fabrics. If you do want to quilt along and use a panel, make sure you get the 50 by 60 inch size. I've also created a companion design workbook that does include a piecing pattern if you'd like to make a quilt top like this. Plus, we've also included all 99 designs, illustrated, full color, to scale, and we brought back my favorite QR codes. So when you scan the QR code with your smart device, it'll take you right to the video where I show you how to do the machine quilting. Anyways, I'll be quilting here today on my Gamble 22-inch machine, and I am stitching in the stitch regulated mode with my stitch length set at 13 stitches per inch. Hop down here with me. So I'm starting my quilting here on the left side because I do my quilting on a long arm. I like to start on the left and work across from left to right. But in here, first I'll create one teardrop. I'm actually creating kind of more of a clam, not an actual feather shape. So kind of a teardrop shape, and then I'll actually fill it with a second smaller one. Okay, now I'm going to go to the opposite side and repeat that same process. Hey there, thanks for joining me in this machine quilting video. I hope you were able to find a bit of inspiration. Don't forget, we have created an awesome companion design workbook that includes all 99 of these designs illustrated, plus we have our favorite QR codes that when you scan those with your smart device, it'll take you right to the video where I show you how to do this machine quilting. Don't forget, I love seeing your work. You can share in our Piece and Quilt Show and Tell Facebook group. Have a great day and happy quilting!